Ceramic paint coatings are the latest and greatest in paint care technology. Ceramic paint coatings protect better and last longer than traditional car waxes or synthetic paint sealants, and they create unparalleled gloss and shine. To hire a professional, certified detailer to properly install a ceramic paint coating costs hundreds of dollars, and some pros charge thousands. When it comes to installing a ceramic paint coating, there's really no magic involved. If you can put a coat of wax on your car, then you possess all the skill that's required to install a coating to your daily driver or to that special toy in the garage. And Dr. Beasley's Formula 1201 is not expensive compared to most ceramic paint coatings on the market. It's a great way to test out new ceramic paint coating technology without breaking the bank. It's as simple as wash and dry the car, remove any contaminants, mist on some distilled water, apply the coating, and then wipe off any excess residue. It's really that simple. For more information, visit Autogeek.com.